topic is on overdenture. So now what is an overdenture? Over something we are going to fabricate a denture. It can be over a teeth, over root of teeth or an implant. So according to GPT definition, any removable dental prosthesis that covers and rests on one or more remaining natural teeth, roots of natural teeth and or dental implant is called an overdenture. So since these dentures are fabricated both on teeth or implant, there are two classification for this overdenture. Tooth supported overdenture and implant supported overdenture. So now in NEET MDS, the most common questions related to overdenture is about its advantage and disadvantage. In this video, we will be seeing about the advantages of overdenture in detail. There are 10 advantages for an overdenture. The first one being preservation of alveolar bone. So as I told, here the denture is being fabricated over the teeth. So since we are preserving the teeth, the bone around the teeth is also preserved in overdenture. Not only the bone around the teeth, but also anterior and posterior to that teeth, the bone is preserved. According to some studies, patients wearing overdenture have 8% decrease in bone loss compared to conventional denture wearers. So this is the first and foremost advantage of the overdenture. The second advantage being preservation of proprioceptive response. Again, since we are preserving the teeth, the periodontal ligament surrounding the teeth is also preserved, and this periodontal ligament provides proprioception. So what is proprioception? When we eat something, if any food particle gets stuck between the teeth, we can sense it, and that sense is provided by this proprioception. So this proprioception helps the patient to be aware of their occlusal contact and also help them to discriminate the macclusal forces. So patients who are wearing overdenture have better discrimination of their occlusal forces, and which is not present in conventional denture wearers. So that is the second advantage of having an overdenture. The third advantage is support. So what is support? It is resistance to tissueward movement. So basically, conventional denture wearers, the denture is being fabricated over a movable supporting tissue, whereas here we have either tooth or an implant to hold the denture, and that act as a stable base. So over this, if we fabricate a denture, the tissueward movement will be very much minimal because of the stable base, and because of that there is going to be less trauma to the underlying soft tissue, which result in decrease in the post insertion adjustment. And the fourth advantage is retention. And here again, since there are tooth and implant to hold the denture, retention is comparatively better in overdenture patients than the conventional denture wearers. In addition, if we want to have extra retention, that also can be obtained by using either attachments or soft liners. Next, advantage is simple approach to a problem patient. So providing an overdenture for patients having congenital defects like cleft palate, partial anodontia, microdontia and amelogenesis imperfecta is reasonable, relatively fast and inexpensive. Next is the periodontal maintenance. So for patients having overdenture, the anterior teeth are usually preserved compared to the posterior teeth. Why? Because anterior bone loss is faster than the posterior bone loss. To preserve the anterior bone, mostly the anterior teeth are preserved. And since we are preserving the anterior teeth, the accessibility of these teeth to oral health care is easy. So if the patient is following vigorous oral health care, then the periodontium of these teeth can be maintained in optimum health. Next is convertibility. In future, if we had to remove the overlaid teeth for some reason, these overdentures can be converted into conventional complete denture. So patient doesn't want to come again for the conventional complete denture processes. Next is the cost. Again, compared to conventional complete denture, of course the cost of overdenture is more, but compared to extensive fixed partial treatment and removable partial treatment, the cost of overdenture is comparatively less, overweighing its advantage. Next, Harmony of the arch form. Since we are preserving the natural teeth, the harmony of the arch form is maintained, and because of all these advantages, patient's acceptance is more in overdenture cases. So the mnemonics for these advantage is Sunrisers Hyderabad, play for Cricket Club Sun TV. S for support, R for retention, H for harmony of arch form, play for. So there are 4 P's, which is preservation of alveolar bone, preservation of proprioceptive response, periodontal maintenance, and patient acceptance. C for cost, C for convertibility, and again S for simple approach to problem patient. Thank you.